How to remove YouTube Shorts. So if you're on the YouTube app, whether that's on Android or on iOS devices like the iPhone or iPad or any other mobile device or phone, you'll be on the YouTube app scrolling through the feed and you'll see YouTube Shorts popping up, and you don't want that to happen anymore. You want to get rid of YouTube Shorts. I'm going to show you how to do that right now and kind of disable them from your device. So how you're going to do that, first of all, is go to the feed here. As you can see, go ahead and scroll down until you get to YouTube Shorts. And then on the video, you should see at the top right hand corner, 3 little dots. You want to click on them and then click Not Interested. Go ahead and do them to all the shorts that you see in this little YouTube Shorts section there. Click Not Interested to all of them. Once you've went through and clicked Not Interested on all of them here, you can go ahead and refresh the page. And then from there on, you shouldn't see any more YouTube Shorts. And if it does happen again, just go ahead and do the same thing, then they won't pop up anymore. Leave a like on the video if that helped, subscribe for more helpful videos.